KeepTRAK. Secure your inventory with confidence. KeepTRAK is a smart inventory and asset management product line that secures your inventory with the technologies of Industry 4.0. The key pillars of KeepTRAK's robust ecosystem is real-time visibility, digital network, analytics, and integration. With real-time visibility, KeepTRAK provides a comprehensive inventory overview of asset records, allowing users to effortlessly locate and identify assets. KeepTRAK's ecosystem serves as a unified solution, connecting assets, people, and tools through a single server. Beyond tracking assets, it employs AI-powered insights to analyze, predict, and automate, elevating efficiency and reliability. The distinctive feature lies in KeepTRAK's seamless integration with platforms like SDS 2.0, driving asset management towards heightened efficiency and intelligence. KeepTRAK utilizes RFID technology to seamlessly and accurately track bulky items such as power tools and large tools. The model stands out in tracking smaller tools and components, such as sockets and bits, by utilizing our proprietary KeepTRAK Pico technology. It enables tagless tracking of small components down to 0.5 gram. KeepTRAK Pico's modular and flexible design allows it to adapt to your specific tool storage requirements. The system offers flexible access login options while bolstering security through user accounts with tailored limitations across various management functions. Alert warning functions can be configured within the system to notify instances such as an unclosed trolley or unreturned assets. Moreover, KeepTRAK solution ensures traceability by capturing comprehensive records of tool usage and user activities. By leveraging these advanced capabilities, KeepTRAK product line provides advanced asset management solutions that drive productivity, efficiency, and cost savings. Unlock the potential of your facility with KeepTRAK. Discover how our solutions optimize key areas of your facility for enhanced efficiency. Revolutionize your warehouse management with KeepTRAK Smart RFID solutions. Integrate KeepTRAK Smart Solutions and RFID tagged assets for advanced tracking. Monitor in real time via Wi-Fi or cellular. And choose between cloud or on-premise servers for scalability and security. Simplify management across multiple devices with ease through our cloud server. Elevate your workflow today with KeepTRAK's comprehensive solutions. Download the brochure for more product details. The future of inventory management starts now.